Right, good morning class. So today we're looking at worksheet 10B. So the question says calculate x, y, z and t. We are given also that these lines are parallel. Those that arrows mean to say that it's parallel. Okay. The parallel lines isn't labeled, so we don't have to say, we say alternate angles corresponding and coincident. Normally we say which lines are parallel. In this case we can't because it's not given to us. Okay. So firstly, as you can see here, y is going to be 40 degrees. You see the f being formed there? So you say y is equal to 40 degrees. Why? The f is known as corresponding angles. Okay, there's no lines parallel. I was going to say now AB parallel to CD, but it's not there, so you can leave it for now. That's 40 degrees. Now to work out angle T is, of course, angles on a straight line. So T plus 40 degrees equals 180. So angles on a straight line. Okay. So then angle or T is equal to then 140 degrees. Z is vertically opposite. So Z is equal to 140 degrees. Vertically opposite. Okay. That is fairly simple then. Let's go to the next one, number 2. In number 2, again, we're given these lines are parallel. So alternate angles are equal. So I got y is 40, t is 55. Then I can work out angle x equal either angles in a triangle or angles in a straight line. Okay. So first we'll start with t is 55 degrees. So alternate angles with AB being parallel to CE. Or I could have said DE or CD, doesn't matter. Okay. That's 55 degrees. Then y is equal to 40 degrees. Why is y 40 degrees? So alternate angles again. Or I could have the alternate angles. Or I could have calculated x at this point, because the sum of triangles could have been to calculate x and then angles in a straight line. So either way you go, as long as you're doing your reasons right and you're applying your mathematical rules properly, you'll get the full mark. So AB is parallel to CE. So there's not only one way of calculating the angles here. Now you're going to go with the angles in a straight line. So 40 degrees plus x plus 55 equals 180. Either straight line or sum of triangles. So you go straight line, so x is equal to 180 minus 55, which is 125, minus 40, which is 85. Just check. 180 minus 55 minus 40 is 85. Okay. That's a nice one there. Let's look at number 3. This video is free, so you can pass it on to your friends as well. Okay. So here we have x that we can calculate. Okay. Again, if there's any mistake, you can just inform me and I can then redo the video for you. Okay. Or just highlight the mistake on the video. So number 3, and also this is not the easiest, not always, my method is not always the easiest way, but it's just what I see at that point. Okay. Again, x, sum of triangles, so it's x plus 40 degrees, not my video but my method, plus 90 equals 180. Why? Sum of triangles, again in this triangle BDC. Okay. So then x is equal to 90 minus 180 minus 90 minus 40 is going to give you 50 degrees. Again, populate the diagram so that we know what we have. Okay, there we can go with alternate angles now for y. So y is 50 degrees. So y is equal to 50 degrees. Why? Because it's alternate angles with AB being parallel to DC. Okay, so that's 50. Z is 50 degrees. Why is it 50? Angles opposite equal sides. As you can see, those angles are equal. So angles opposite equal sides. Okay. That's a nice and easy one. Again, this is just a revision of grade 9 work at this point. Okay, that's why it's so easy. Okay, so we can calculate, okay, x is the same as y. As you can see, the f is corresponding, but we don't have y at this point. Z is the same as y as well, also alternate angles there. So if we look at y, yes, we can calculate y at this point. Angles on a straight line. So 50 plus y is equal to 180. Why? The straight line. Okay. So you got 2y is equal to 180 minus 50 is 130. Divided by 2 gives you 65 degrees. So that y is 65 and this is 65. We said that x is the same as that y. So, the x is equal to 65. It is corresponding angles with AB being parallel to CD. Okay, that's 65. Now to calculate Z, either sum of triangles or the alternate angles. Alternate is going to be simple. So Z is equal to 65 degrees because of the fact that it's alternate with AB being parallel to CD. Okay, so there we got all that angles required to have been calculated at that point. Okay.